So here we go again. A man named Monty Desai. Remember that name? Monty Desai. He will fly some 10,000 miles, approximately halfway around the world, from India on the subcontinent all the way to the Caribbean to teach West Indian batsmen how to bat. Monty Desai has been appointed batting coach of the West Indies team. And you know my thing already. Always have and always will have a problem with importing foreigners to coach or teach West Indians how to play cricket. My pride as a West Indian will never allow me to accept or embrace that. It is perhaps the only issue on which me and the Cricket West Indies president, Ricky Skerritt, agrees. I feel disrespected and indeed embarrassed at seeing a foreigner, especially a no-name foreigner, coming here to the West Indies to show us the technical, tactical, and cerebral nuances of batsmanship. But again, things have gotten so desperate for West Indies cricket that if them go for the devil with the 3-teeth fork, I said, this is the new West Indies batting coach. People would say, yes, yes, yes. Welcome him, welcome him. Let us welcome him with open arms. I said, yes, sir, nice to have you. When you stop, is there anything we can...